We're definitely going to do a video on that install, and we're going to fix that window. Take this off and just completely remove that. That's disgusting. Okay. Moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead before we put everything back together. We should be able to check if it works. I went ahead and connected the connectors back, boom, boom, and I just turned the car on. So, this thing better go up when I press up. That's what I'm talking. Yes. We fixed it, guys. Yes. Boom. Now go down. The best part is most regulators will come with the motor with a good price. I got this one from carparts.com. That's one of my go-tos. They have yet to fail me. We're all set here. We're going to just put everything back together. If this video helps, I hope it did. As always, you're appreciated. Till next time, peace.